Good morning. Time for Pioneer Update. Get a check on what's going on in the Batesville Public School System, a service of the Citizens Bank. Pioneer Update. And the Citizens Bank, of course, as you know, is a bank built for you. Today we're visiting with the Director of Communications and a lot more things at Batesville, Megan Renihan. Megan, thanks for visiting with us.
Thank you for having me this morning.
How about those Lady Pioneers?
How about those Lady Pioneers? We are excited to be in the state tournament. This is our first year in 5A, and we will take the floor in Hot Springs on March 11th at 10 a.m. So we're really, really excited that our girls are going to be back in state. 2 years ago, we took states in 4A. The following year, we made it to semifinals and lost to the co-title owners. And then this year, we're hoping to, make it all the way. We've got a great team, a wonderful, wonderful group of young ladies. And, of course, they're led by Coach Fowler and Coach Thompson. So we're just very eager to see our Lady Pioneers on the floor.
Speaking of good things that happen, Sophia Stain led a bowling team that did quite well.
Absolutely. We are so proud of Miss Sophia Stain. She's a ninth grader, and she won the Class 5A Individual Girls State Bowling Championship. So that really just speaks volumes to who she is as a young athlete by leading her team. And she bowled in a 3-game series, finished with a 571, and she actually won 41 pins over second place, so it was quite convincing as well. So we are expecting big things out of that young lady as she rises on the senior team, and it's just a privilege and an honor to watch her bowl, and we're just so thankful that she had a strong season as well as our other pioneers on both boys and girls. We also want to give a shout-out to our BHS senior, Caitlin Barksdale, who earned All-State, and she was recognized for bowling a 461 in her series. So we've got some very, very talented athletes, and, of course, Miss Hogan as well as Miss Sheila Phillips do a wonderful job with leading that program.
I'm just looking, 571, that's an average of 190 a game. Pretty good. And, of course, you constantly want to always do the best that we can do as far as keeping the mental health good for all of our students. And sometimes the things that have popped up this year have made it difficult, but we have a good program for that.
That's exactly right. Our school-based mental health strives every single day to make themselves available. Our counselors are always available. So we just want to make sure that our parents and our students know, be paying attention to the way your students are acting and behaving and feeling right now. Be sure and check in with them on a regular basis. On a daily basis, I hope to just see how their day was and keep that line of communication open. This time of year, the stats don't lie. It's the most dangerous time of year for our young minds. So we're working avidly to make sure that they know where resources are available at, who they can go and speak with. Of course, we have things posted on our social media very consistently. But if you go to our website, batesvilleschools.com, and search for our school-based mental health website, there are tons of resources. There are phone numbers as well as a text line, and I'll tell you what those are right now, just so that if anyone is listening to this and they're feeling the need to contact someone for help, you can call the crisis number at 800-273-8255, or you can text TALK, T-A-L-K, to 741-741. The most important thing that we want to take care of is our children's mental health, because when they're in a healthy state of mind, that means that they can put their best foot forward for the best education that we can provide for them.
Our guest today, Megan Renihan, Director of Communications for the Batesville Public School System, the program, a service of the Citizens Bank, a bank built for you. You've been listening to Pioneer Update. It's a production of White River Now and the Batesville Public School System. Have a nice day.